So let me return back to my wallet and see if the one I withdraw is here. By the time this is done, I'll be able to make at least a reasonable amount of money from this. So now guys, let me show you something. Now if you go to swap right here, you see if I want to swap this token, I won't be able to swap it. If you watched my previous video, you see that I won't be able to swap it. But now let's do something different. Let's swap. You see I just rechanged, so I'm swapping BNB to AIT. So let me show you. I want to swap 0.01 BNB. It will give me 22 of this token. So I'm getting 22 of this token. So that's what I want to do. Let me click confirm it. Let me see if it will swap. Okay, confirm again. Next step, fingerprint, order submitted, pending block validation. Please go to DT page and whatsoever. Okay, click OK. So guys, I'm just getting 22. So let me see. I'm getting notification. You have sold 0.00 MB. So guys, you see, we can as well buy the token. You see, I just tried to swap. I was able to swap my BNB to the token. So I'm not advising you to do this. This is not a financial advice. I'm not advising you to do this with yours, but I'm just saying that, you see, I can swap BNB to the token, but I can't swap the token yet to BNB. So it means the token is blocked. Let me still try again and see if I can now swap it to BNB. Let me even try swapping the amount I bought, 22 points. Well, let me just put 22 and see if I can swap it. Confirm. Next. Order submitted pending validation. So, whoa, guys, I was able to swap 22 of it. You see, I was able to swap 22. The 22 I bought, I was able to swap it. I was able to swap it. Let me try swapping more. Okay, let me try 100 or 10,000. It's saying that I don't have enough BNB to cover the gas fee. I need at least 0.005 BNB as gas fee for this transaction, and what I have is 0.006. So guys, you saw that I was able to swap 22 of it back. I would have just swapped a lot if I had known that that would go through. So guys, you can see I was able to swap 22 right there. So that's it. So that is all I want to show you for this video. It's already getting too long. That's it. Goodbye.